Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today we're gonna practice a full body yoga routine to boost your energy for the entire day. So when you are ready, we're gonna start at the back of our mat, preferably in Vajrasana. Place your hands on your thighs, take a deep breath in and slowly exhale out. Once again, deep breath in, and as you exhale out, walk your hands forward, place your forehead on the mat. Keep your hips on your heels and feel the lengthening sensation in your entire back. Keep breathing and feel the rise and fall of your lower back as you inhale and exhale. Take one more deep breath in and slowly exhale out. Last one. Inhale, and when you exhale, walk your hands forward, lift your hips up and place your forehead or chest on the ground, whichever is possible today. Hold the puppy pose. You can bend your elbows and keep your palms together in prayer pose. Hold the pose. Inhale. Feel the extension in your upper back and lengthening sensation in your lower back. Now place your palms on the mat. Slide your upper body forward and come to Cobra pose. Lift your chest up when you inhale, and when you exhale, bring it down. Once again, inhale, lift your chest up, use your back muscle. Exhale, bring the chest down. Once again, inhale, lift up. Exhale, bring the chest down. Inhale, lift up and hold. Use your back muscles, minimal pressure on your palms or fingertips. Now exhale and bring your chest down. Inhale, and as you exhale, tuck your toes, come to downward facing dog. Bend the knees one by one to warm up your hamstrings and calves at the back of your leg. Now hold the downward dog for one breath. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Now hold your left ankle with your right hand and twist open towards the left side. Look towards the sky. Now we're going to repeat the twist on the other side. Hold your left ankle with your right hand and twist open towards the right side. I know this is a challenging pose. If you find it difficult, then just simply hold the downward dog. Now come back to downward dog. Inhale and step your right foot forward. Place both of your hands on the inside of the right leg and hold the pose. If you find placing your other thigh on the ground, then you can tuck your toes and lift the thigh up. Now tuck your toes, lift the thigh up and hold the pose. Feel the stretch in your hip flexors of the back leg. Now raise your right arm up and twist open towards the right side. Inhale and exhale. Now slowly bring the right arm down and step the right foot back and come to downward dog. Again, inhale, step your left foot forward, place the right knee on the ground and hold the pose. Both hands on the inside of the left leg. Feel the stretch in your right hip flexors. If you find it difficult, then you can tuck your toes and lift the back thigh off the mat and hold the pose. Inhale and exhale. Don't forget to breathe. Once again, inhale and raise your left arm up. Twist open towards the left side. Twisting from your belly button. Now bring the left arm down, step your left foot back and come to downward facing dog once again. Now bend the knee and come to 4-point kneeling. Inhale, arch your back, exhale, round your back. We're gonna warm up our back a bit. Inhale, arch, exhale, round. Once again, inhale, arch, exhale, round. Now, stand up on your knees, place your palms on your hips and push your pelvis forward as you bend backward. Inhale, open up your chest and exhale, push your pelvis even forward. Hold the pose for just one more breath and we are done. Release the pose, sit down in Vajrasana, walk your hands forward and place your forehead on the ground. Come down to child pose. Keep your hips on your heels. Now slowly come back to downward facing dog. Now walk forward to forward fold. Inhale, raise your arms up and come to Utkatasana or the chair pose. Now we're gonna hold the twisted chair pose. Bring your right elbow to your left knee. Palms in prayer pose, twisting towards the left side. Inhale, come to Utkatasana and repeat the twist on the other side. Twist towards the right side. Inhale and exhale. Now once again inhale, raise your arms up, come to chair pose and as you exhale, sit down on your mat. Now we're gonna hold the boat pose. Lift your heels off the mat. You can bend the knees or you can straighten the knee, whichever you want. Engage your core. Now slowly lie down on your back, hug your knees and slowly release the legs and come to Shavasana. We are done here. Take a deep breath in. Imagine that all the positive energy from the surrounding is entering your body, reaching to all the cells of your body. And slowly exhale out. You can stay in Shavasana for as long as you want, but if you are ready, you can sit down, close your eyes, inhale, and slowly exhale. Thank you so much for joining. See you next time.